Hey party people, today's video is all about the fashion-friendly, on-trend, crazy cute leather and hardware resources that I use. This is a viewer-requested video. I usually don't like to give up the secrets, but we fam, so I'm going to put you on to the ones that I rock with and frequent. All of these sources ship anywhere in the US, and one of them for sure ships internationally. Can we get a double clap for that? We love it. So for those of y'all who do not live close by but still want to be fly when you DIY, don't worry, I got you. Links to all the websites can be found down below in the description box. So, how's your hardware vocabulary? Not sure what everything is called? Well, this is how you can educate yourself. Go to the Ohio Travel Bag website. They have this massive catalog where you can find every conceivable piece of hardware on the planet, and you can browse to your heart's content. All the photos have dimensions, so you can pick out the perfect size for whatever you're working on. Been a customer of theirs for a long time, so I highly recommend them, especially for tools and hardware. This place is great if you're looking for something specific, maybe a 1.5-inch buckle in shiny nickel. Chances are they have something that's right up your alley. Their selection is broad and deep, and you can find everything from handbag to travel luggage parts. They also have tools like glues and hammers and setters, hole punchers, everything. Everyone in customer service is super nice and helpful. Etsy, ItaIeatherShop. This is a great resource for Italian leather, one of the best I've ever come across. If you're searching for leather skins in fashionable colors, they have the widest selection of things to choose from, and they add colors fairly often. What I like about them is that you can buy small pieces instead of a full skin. Maybe you just want to make a wallet or some earrings, or you need just a little bit for an accent. Click on the leather you like, then click on the drop-down box and it'll tell you what sizes they have available. The only drawback is that once it's sold out, it's gone, and it rarely comes back in stock, so keep that in mind. Also, because the vendor is based outside of the US, it takes a few weeks to get your purchase, so plan ahead. Global Leather New York. I live in New York, so I shop here all the time. If you're ever in the area, I highly recommend a visit. Sometimes they're open on Saturdays, but make sure you call and check first. They sell both retail and wholesale, and they also sell to folks in the home furnishings business. In terms of what's online, you'll see things like cow, lamb, or pig suede. What makes them different, though, are the color choices. They have so many. They are a family-owned business and have been at it for over 40 years. Now, if you don't see what you're looking for, you can call the store directly, but be patient. They don't have a large staff. And before you call, make sure you have all of your basic information together. What kind of skin are you looking for? What do you want to make? And what color are you searching for? The Buckle Guy. This is a place I started shopping at recently and I've grown to love. They're a one-stop shop as they carry a little bit of everything. In terms of leather, the colors are more basic and you'll find a range of reds, greens, browns, and textures of black. They work directly with tanneries to get the best quality skins, like Richard Hoffman, for instance, is seen here. A top-grade skin has the fewest amount of surface imperfections or abrasions, has even color and consistency. Here you will find a helpful reference key you can use so you know what you're ordering. I have hide, shoulder, or quarter. This shows you how the skin is cut. Another good thing is that they also sell pieces, so if you're making something small, like a wallet, a wrist cuff, or keychains, you don't have to take more than what you need. Start. I paid a few extra dollars and ordered a ring of swatches. I wanted to take a closer look at the color, weight, and quality of the leather before buying. Here I've included some footage from a recent unboxing and shopping haul. Take a look along with me. The samples I ordered looked amazing. I'm so glad I paid the extra dollars for the swatches. It's totally worth it for the peace of mind when ordering. Swatch rings are also a good investment as I will keep these as part of my leather library. I wanted to see the whiskey and cognac. These are both classic shades and timeless. Out of everything though, I fell for the dark blue pebble. I've been looking for something with a little bit more texture to complement a pair of boots that I have. The Buckle Guy is also a good source for hardware, locks and closures, and carry a range of finishes. like matte black, shiny black, gunmetal, gold, silver, nickel, and antique brass. They also carry tools in case you need something. They're also a great resource for other supplies and carry one of my favorite brands of edge paint, Giardini. I covered edge paint in a previous video, so I hope you will check that out. Your edges will never be the same. Okay, party people, so that's it for today's video. Thumbs up is like a hands up. So please don't forget to become a subscriber. Click the notification bell so you can stay up with me and all the content that I'm posting. If you have any online resources that you want to share, please make sure that you leave them in the comment section down below. As always, I wish you bag success, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.